Welcome to the channel. I'm Pete from It's a Cruise Life, and in today's video we're going to take you on a tour of Deck 6 on MSC's World America. We start at the front of the ship on Deck 6. We'll show you the burger and pizza parlour, we stroll past the games arcade, we visit the Philippe Chocolat Café, the shopping gallery and boutique. This then takes us towards the chandelier and the Dolce Vita Bar, past the MSC desk for excursions and customer services, through the lift lobby to the Esagono and Hexagon restaurants, toward the back of the ship where you've got the Bubbles restaurant. We start the tour on Deck 6, toward the front of the ship. On the left just there you have the Luna Park Games Arcade, and on the right you have pizza and burger. And this is a buffet style restaurant. There's a few games there that will keep the kids happy whilst you go and grab the food. Now I tried the pizza at this place and it was good. It was hot, it was fresh, and the choice was okay. The coffee was also good. Lisa tried the pizza and the burger and the coffee, and I'm sure there were no complaints. This place strikes me as quite an American style restaurant, and it has seating for 154 people. So we're back on the World Promenade, and on the left there you got the MSC Future Cruises, and I wished we were in a position where we could book another one. Also on the left somewhere in there, tucked away, is a 5D cinema, but we didn't get to see this. As it's the Easter weekend, I guess there's no harm in checking out Philippe Chocolat Café. Now there is some serious naughtiness going on in this place. Did you know that gelato has less calories, less sugar and less fat content per serving than ice cream? So who is Jean-Philippe? He is basically a world famous pastry chef and chocolatier from France, and he's won many accolades across the world over the years. He's known for his creative talents and craftsmanship. He's also opened patisseries in the Bellagio and the Aria Resort and Casino in Vegas. And an interesting point at the patisserie at the Bellagio Hotel is it's the largest chocolate fountain in the world. Check out Lisa drooling over the chocolate. She's absolutely in heaven right now. You've got macaroons, chocolates and cakes in all different shapes, sizes and flavours. Willy Wonka or Jean-Pierre? Hello. No, Lisa, you can't have that egg. Just over there is the shopping gallery, and this has an extensive range of duty-free products. We did notice that this shop isn't always open, and I guess being duty-free we would need to be out of port and at sea. They had a wide range of alcohol and tobacco here, and over in the left hand corner there you had your chocolate, your Toblerones, your Kinder and your sweeter goodies. As far as we could see, every shape, every size and every brand of sunglasses was available. And here's your watches, your fragrances, your beauty products and your perfumes. That's enough duty-free shopping for now. And opposite the shopping gallery was the boutique, so we're going to head over there and let's see what they have to offer. There was actually a really nice range of products in the boutique, and if it hadn't been for the weight restrictions on our luggage and the overspending in Miami prior to the cruise, then we may have treated ourselves to the odd thing or two. There was no Swarovski staircase in the World Galleria, so the centerpiece attraction was the chandelier. The World Galleria was visually stunning, and as well as the chandelier, the ever-changing LED ceiling also played its part. This is the Dolce Vita Bar, and there was always something happening here. It had a great vibe and it was always lively. And here's Lisa at the back here. She can't resist a dance class. The Esagono was our main dining room, and we ate here all but 2 nights. The other 2 restaurants we checked out were Italy and Butcher's Cut. And a big shout out to John Dale Dupont, who looked after us throughout the cruise. The Hexagon and the Esagono restaurants practically mirror one another, and whilst being very modern in design, I feel they lack that central focal point, like a central chandelier or central staircase. These restaurants can both accommodate 1,076 guests. At the back of the ship you have Bubbles Restaurant, and this is mirrored on either side. And this has a capacity of 546 guests. I did notice some larger tables in this restaurant, so I'm assuming this is for larger groups, as MSC doesn't offer mixed dining like other cruise lines do. And that completes Deck 6. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tour, and we look forward to seeing you again next week when we've got more content coming out on MSC World America's inaugural cruise. See you soon.